November 9th, 2020 Daily Math Review. Harold is making cupcakes for the school bake sale. He made 48 blueberry cupcakes, 24 oatmeal cupcakes, 72 chocolate chip cupcakes, and 36 confetti cupcakes. Write a ratio of oatmeal cupcakes to chocolate chip cupcakes, then write a ratio comparison statement for the given ratio. All right, so we can do this. So Harold's making his cupcakes. First of all, what it's asking us to do is write a ratio of oatmeal cupcakes. So I'm going to do, what are we comparing? So of oatmeal cupcakes, so I'll highlight that in yellow, to chocolate chip cupcakes. So oatmeal cupcakes to chocolate chip cupcakes. I'll highlight that in green. All right, so how many oatmeal cupcakes are there? Well, oatmeal cupcakes right here. It says there are 24 oatmeal cupcakes. So I know 24 is going to be my first one, my first number. Words means 2, the T-O. Now let's look at chocolate chip. How many chocolate chip? Oh, 72 chocolate chip cupcakes. So the second, or the what we're comparing to, is 72. So 24 to 72. Also 24 with that colon, 72. And then that fraction, 24 with that fraction or slash 72, or divided by 72. Now, ratio comparison statement. So, for every blank, there are blank. For every blank, there are blank. So, for every blank, there are blank. So, for every 24, what was the first one? 24 what? Oatmeal cupcakes. So, for every 24 oatmeal cupcakes, there are, so for every 24 oatmeal cupcakes, there are how many chocolate chip cupcakes? 72. 72 chocolate chip cupcakes. And that's it for our ratio comparison statement. For every 24 oatmeal cupcakes, there are 72 chocolate chip cupcakes. That's it for our DMR. Great job!